Hey, I'm Jim Johnson with America's Home Place. I'm the general manager of the Blairsville location here in Blairsville, Georgia. And we're in our union model. And I wanted to show you a couple of our cabinet features and appliance features here in the model. That some of these are standard, some are upgrades. One of the first things I want to show you is we offer under cabinet lighting. A lot of folks like that. We have that available. We also offer Backsplash. This is just one of our tile samples that's available. There's many to choose from. A lot of people like the Backsplashes. That's something that we're able to do. Granite tops are standard in the bathrooms and in the kitchen. Many colors to choose from there. Our cabinets that we're showing here today, this is a shaker style. There's many colors to choose from, including white and multiple stain selections to choose from. There's also 3 door options that you have that go along with the cabinets. We also offer, as a standard, soft closed drawers. See there? Our appliance package. This is an upgrade appliance package. Our standard package does include a dishwasher, a stove, and a microwave range hood. This is a what they call black stainless. Kind of has a bronze look about it. It's very, very nice. Our standard, you get to choose from either black stainless or just black. So as you can see, there's a lot of options, a lot of things to choose from. Come visit us here at our Blairsville Sales Center in Blairsville, Georgia. Visit us at americashomeplace.com. If you liked our video today, be sure to subscribe and you'll get other videos in the future. And we want to thank you for watching our video today.